Hello family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Chief Lavashewiepal Sibulara sending my peaceful and lovely greetings to you all from a community called Nyankpala. Nyankpala is located in the northern part of Ghana. It is located south of Tamale. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very important, about our culture. I'm going to share with you a very important part of our culture. And it's about how we perform funeral rites of our chiefs and our kings. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new. Click on the notification bell and then keep watching. Thank you so much for your time. So according to our tradition, when a chief dies, he has his first son, who is the regent. He has the second, that's the first daughter, who is the regentess. So you can see a lady carrying a calabash, and her fellow women are holding her. That's the first daughter to the late king. And those ladies who are also carrying the calabash in front of her are the granddaughters. So that's how the funeral rites is performed here. And the man who is on top of the horse is the regent. So that's the first son to the king. Now they are going around 3 times at the palace. That is to signify that his father is no more. So he's been accompanied by the people from the community. We have the drummers, we have chiefs here, we have elders, we have people from all over different communities who are here to support him perform the final funeral rites of his late father. So after the funeral rites, the elders will be shared, they will share colonels to the elders to welcome them, to formally welcome them to the funeral. So the man who is the older man who is throwing the stuff to the people is sharing colonels to them. So now the drummers are calling out the grandchildren to the late chief to come out and dance. And it is during these days, it is during this special day that everybody in the community gets to know the children of the late king. That's the first daughter to the late king. That's the elderly daughter to the late king. Alright family, so you've seen it all. This is how we perform funeral rites of our late kings and our late chiefs. During this day, people from the community, people from neighboring communities, and people from all over the surrounding communities, I'm talking about people who are, our neighbors, families, and everyone who come around to help the family of the late king or the late chief. So during this day, there's a lot of drumming and dancing. There's a lot of cultural experiences as well as cultural practices and everything. So as you can see, people are still coming in and some are going home. We have come to the end of the funeral, and thank you so much for watching. And I'm so glad that I shared this beautiful culture in the Dagbon Kingdom of Ghana. This particular culture is from the people of Dagbon. Dagbon Kingdom is located in the northern part of Ghana, and the Dagombes or the Dagbamba are the biggest ethnic group in northern Ghana. So thank you all for watching and learning from me. Don't forget to share these contents with your families and friends. Just go ahead and then, you know what, subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel, so that you get to learn some more. And as well as, give my videos a thumbs up. And just, comment, ask any question, put any kind of questions on the comment section if you want to know anything about from the video. Thank you so much. It's your brother Chief Labashewu, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and warmly greetings to you all. Stay blessed, stay focused, and enjoy the rest of your day. Have a wonderful day. Peace. One love.
Awesome.